Hi, book friends! Today, in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, I'm going to be reading a very, very special picture book, and this is, drumroll please, this is Bookie and Cookie by Blanca Gómez. Ooh. Check it out. This is a beautiful cover, and I'm excited to get into it. Let's go. Published by Rocky Pond Books. This is Bookie, and this is Cookie. Here's Bookie. Say hi, Bookie. And here's Cookie. Say hi to Cookie as well. Bookie lives in the left-hand page of the book, and Cookie lives in the right-hand page. Look at Bookie with all his stories. Right here, you see? And then here's Cookie with all of his cooking supplies. Cookie's a great cooker, a great baker, a great chef. Bookie and Cookie are best friends. They love to spend time together. Actually, whenever they are together, it's always in the right-hand page of the book. I wonder why. Let's find out, shall we? But not today. Today, they are mad at each other. So they are each in their own page. Why are they mad? It started the other day when Bookie was visiting Cookie, as usual. Bookie didn't always want to go to Cookie's page. Sometimes he wanted Cookie to come to his page. So Bookie asked his friend if he would come over. No, Cookie said. Why not? Because my page is nice. You like my page? I like my page. We are happy in my page. My page is nice too, but you have never been there. I just like my page. I don't like what I don't know. How can you know you don't like it if you don't try it? I don't know, but I know it's true. They're in a bit of an argument right now. What will happen next? Let's find out. Okay, bye. Stay forever in your silly page with your cookies. Enjoy your page all alone with your silly books. And so the two friends set off on their own personal page paths. And now Bookie is alone in his page, but he isn't enjoying it at all. And Cookie is in his page where he could stay forever, but not without Bookie. How will the friends make up? Will they make up? Bookie misses Cookie, and his cookies too. But he doesn't know how to convince Cookie to leave his page. And Cookie misses Bookie, and his books too. Yet he's sure he can get Bookie to come back to his page. Bookie! Oh, Bookie! I made cookies! Cookies. I'm getting hungry now. Cookie's a great chef. You can bring them to my page, Cookie. It's your turn to visit me. Never mind. I'll eat the cookies by myself here in my page. But Bookie does want cookies. And now he is sure he can get Cookie to come over. And Cookie does not want to eat all the cookies by himself, even though he could. Cookie can't say no to a batch of newly baked cookies. Bookie thinks as he works. Cookie stays better served with a good story from Bookie. Cookie thinks with regret, when suddenly, what will come next? Cookie, oh Cookie, I made cookies too. Do you want to try one? Yes, please. Are you sure, Cookie? You've never tried my cookies, and you don't like what you don't know. But how can I know I don't like it if I don't try it? I'd really love to taste your cookies. Cookies. Will the dynamic duo come back together? The perfect pair? I'd like to have them with you in your page. What are we reading today? He's on the other page! He overcame his fears. Now Bookie and Cookie are best friends again. They can always be found together, either in Bookie's page or in Cookie's page. Oh, they're reading a book called Bestie. Take a look. That sounds like my kind of book. Except for the times when they go on an adventure together, wanting to try a lot of new things. Outside their pages. The end. Did you like that story, everybody? I know I did. Check out Bookie and Cookie, and trust me, you'll want this in your home. If you're a parent, if you're a kid, you're gonna love it. I know I love it. Bye.